Best friend, welcome to Vlogmas. I'm here to give you motivation and or inspiration. So sit back and soak up all of this holiday magic. Let's make this season one for the books. So don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss a Mingle Jingle moment.
I look a mess for my house. I got up this morning. I just got out the shower. And look how good he looking. Yeah. Look. So let me tell y'all what I did. It be so bright in here. So I disconnected the lights going down this part. I just left it going up here and right here. I don't know why I stopped right here. But this feel better because these lights were so bright. Do you understand me? They were so bright. But it looked good in here, y'all. So I'm about to go finish working upstairs. Oh. So welcome to Vlogmas. So y'all remember I told y'all that I made this little whatchamajigger over here. Let's see if it's dry. Because girl, when you flock stuff, it be it feels so I wish I could put a little bit more on here. But I got this stuff in this bag. And I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna feel I'm gonna make that look good. At least I'm gonna attempt to. So I'm gonna go through everything that's inside of this bag. How about we put it in here? Because I'm trying to do this with no tripod, y'all. I'm being lazy today. I know y'all remember when I used this. I know y'all remember when I told y'all I was going to put this together. So, I am just going to pretty much go through everything and use what I got to get the look that I want. And all my little Vlogmas series with y'all, girl, it's just going to be 10 minutes tops it. I just want to pop in and talk to you every day. A little jingle mingle, you know? Okay, I'm getting some stuff. All right, y'all. So this is what it's looking like so far. Right here. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to take my robe off. I'm digging through here to see what I actually want to use. This stuff right here, these right here, I ain't gonna lie. I'm going to stick these things right in the tree. Because I think, if I'm not mistaken, I had this in this tree. Oh, shoot. It's because I'm not using the tripod, so don't come for me. Yep, I did have them in this tree. See? I'm going to stick them where I see little holes and stuff at, like right there. Stick that right there. Stick this one right there. Just, girl. Right? So now I'm about to go back over here. And then I had a bell somewhere too. Yep, I did. Oh, where can I put this? I could use this bell. I'm gonna hang the bell right here. Look at that. Ah. Wait, I could have did that a little bit better. Maybe right here. No, I'd look right there. Could have put it like right there. Right there is good. All right, now the only thing that I gotta do is figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Y'all heard how I said that? Now I gotta figure out what I gotta do. I like this. How this is. Maybe these little pieces here. I know each one of these, since it's two of these, I can definitely put these. Like that. Maybe put one sticking it on that side like that. Then there's a big spot right here for sure. Let's stick that acorn. I mean that line right in there. And then I got all of these little things here like this. All of these, especially these. This here, these. I'm gonna use these just in random places. Like right here. Here's another one. Here's another one. Random. Be right here. And then this one right here. I need to put something on that end right here. Right there. And then, do I have more? What do I have more of? This here. These here, y'all. Hold on, y'all. I don't know why I didn't get my tripod. Because it's upstairs. Because I'm headed upstairs to do some stuff upstairs too. So that's why I don't have my tripod to use right here. So let me do this. And I am going to fill this thing up, y'all. When I come back, y'all going to see berries and all that stuff. I'll be right back. Y'all, look what I did. So I had some leftover ribbon. Was stuck in the, oh, I had this left too. So I had some leftover ribbon. And I just put it here on the end. Made it look like a bow. You know. And this is how it looks on this side. So last year, a couple of years ago, I had stuff hanging from here, but I noticed that I was messing up here. Oh, and I don't want my husband to see that. So I said I was going to stop doing it, which it looked good in there. But I have so much of stuff going on here that I didn't really need to have something hanging from here. So I really wanted something like right here. Oh, I got the glue. I really wanted something. I got to vacuum this up. That's all right. And I still have a few more pieces of, get that. Have some more berries that I can put in here. But it looks good, huh, y'all? Look. Girl, I am, every time I look at my chandeliers, I say, ooh, the chandelier is so pretty. But girl, this one here just do it for me. It just do it for me. This one here just do it for me. I got to put that up. This one, it just do it for me. Look at Grace. So y'all know I named the deers. That chandelier is gorgeous. Marie is the truth. Baby. All right, y'all. Let me stop playing. Because I told y'all my vlogs is going to be, my Vlogmas vlogs are going to be 10 minutes. I just want to jump on, hang out with y'all, Christmas something with y'all, decorate, do something with y'all. Give you just some quick ideas. That's it. That's what this is all about, just to give you quick Christmas decorating ideas going into Christmas time. So there you go. I will see you guys on the next Vlogmas. Toodoo!